this is a very important thing. I was coming to that. As I said, a lot of things people are talking before I am coming to those points. I'm coming. It's very important now. Now, all of you pay attention, okay? Our own Indian Shastras, okay? Very important. Please pay attention to this point. And he spoke about stress, okay? How you get breaks from one thing. Our own Shastras, they insist on 4 things that you have to be wealthy. Number 1 is in money, okay? Number 2 is in health. Number 3, it's in, can anybody say, in relationships. And number 4 is with your own self. You have to have a synchrony and balance in all these 4 areas of life. अगर तुम लोग इसमें कहीं भी ऊपर नीचे होते हो, तो you will get lost. Now you will ask me, इसका millionaires और money से क्या connection है? बहुत ज़्यादा connection है, because research has shown. I'm not talking you कि theory नहीं बोल रही हूँ, मैं research के बारे में बोल रही हूँ. Millionaires across America, maximum number of millionaires in the world are in America. Remember, okay? And this is based on the book Rich, The Secrets of Millionaire Next Door. Most of the millionaires have achieved the best of all this. All 4 they have achieved, and this principle has come from our own Shastras, our own books, rituals. We have Upanishads and all that. It has been promoted. Now we come to that point of connecting with your stress and break. Okay? Now, very important is money. You have to make yourself secure financially. Very important. अगर पैसे में तुम्हारी security नहीं है, तुम बाकी कुछ नहीं कर सकते. That's why money is important, and you have to attract wealth in your life. You have to make yourself financially free. What do you mean by financial freedom? This is what Robert Kiyosaki has also advocated. Can anybody say what is financial freedom?
You don't have to worry about tomorrow.
Exactly.
Whether you have to eat or not.
No, it's not about just eating. Okay, see, the thing again, magic of thinking big. Some people limit it just to eating. Okay, survival. Millionaires always think big. Okay, let us connect to millionaires. Now, being financially free means that you have retired from the financial earnings. So, in the sense that tomorrow if you don't go to work, you have created a system which will work for you and earn you money. मतलब तुमको डर नहीं है, टेंशन नहीं है कि कल अगर मैं नहीं जाऊंगा काम पे तो मेरा खाना नहीं आएगा, मेरा सर्वाइवल नहीं होगा, मेरे पास पैसे नहीं होंगे रेंट भरने के लिए या बिल्स भरने के लिए या कुछ भी करने के लिए. Everything is taken care of. That is the meaning of financial freedom. That's the meaning of passive income. Is this clear to you? So, financial freedom is this, and that is what I mean by being secured in money. So, you have to start investing. One, we spoke about mutual fund, we spoke about property, we spoke about having a business, a system under you. Right now, I am taking seminars on my own and having a team to assist me. But my vision is very big. My vision is that in future, I will run my own company and I'll have my people to do all the running around. I will have my trainers, I'll have people. So that is called as what? Passive income. So those people will do all the work. So I don't have to go on running. I'll create my brand. Okay, Priya's Wellness as a big brand. Just like you have Shiv Khera as a brand. Or Western where you have Tony Robbins as a brand. Okay, these are all very big motivational speakers across the world. Okay, similarly I'll create a brand and that brand will attract people towards me. So that's what I mean by saying as financial freedom. Very important, okay? So make yourself secure money. Now, the second important thing is about health. Most of the millionaires know the importance of having security in terms of health. Okay? Now, what I find is that people who run only after money all the time, okay, they suffer when it comes to their health. पैसा तो बहुत कमा लिया, बैंक में भी रख लिया, घर वालों को सारे अय्याश आराम भी दे दिए, बट खुद के हेल्थ का क्या करे? योर हेल्थ इज डाउन, और जो पैसा कमाया वो तुमने डॉक्टर्स और हॉस्पिटल्स को दे दिया, दवाइयों पर खर्चा किया, तो उस पैसे का कोई वैल्यू है क्या? टेल मी, is that money worth it? It's not worth it. So most of the millionaires know this कि अगर हमारे पास हेल्थ नहीं है तो हम काम कैसे करेंगे, हमारी बॉडी काम कैसे करेंगे, हम सोचेंगे कैसे, हमारा दिमाग और कैसे चलेगा. तो very important is they have understood this. Even most of them, they take care of their health. What do you mean by taking care of their health? That is exercising.
Healthy foods.
Yes, eating healthy food, very important. Okay, going for a lot of stress-related activities, like rightly as he said, taking breaks. See, let us understand, we are not machines, we are humans. हम लोग एक जीते जागते इंसान हैं. अगर हमको किसी ने बांध के रखा कि नहीं भैया तुम्हें 8 घंटे बैठना है, it will be like a jail. हम लोग नहीं बैठ सकते. We love our freedom, so we need breaks. So this exercising, going for eating healthy food, taking rest, very important. Sleeping for 6 hours every day, very important. Believe me, friends. You know the reason? At night, 11 to 3, our liver is detoxifying. सारे toxins निकाल रहे हैं. And that is the time when you need to rest. But what do most people do? They're out. See, you can party out maybe once a week, twice a week, that's fine. But don't make it a regular habit. You can enjoy good food, going in restaurants, partying, vacations. You can go out. Okay? You can mix with other people, enjoy socializing. That's great, fantastic. Okay? But don't make it a regular habit. If you enjoy your drinks once in a while, if you love, if you don't, it's fantastic. But if you love, enjoy once in a while, but don't get addicted to it. Don't be dependent on it. And that's when you get stress relief. If you are in good shape, you will get tremendous fulfillment and stress relief. So if you're ignoring your health, please gear up and start working on this. I am an expert in this area of health and fitness, and I conduct a lot of seminars on this. I run my own wellness center. I train people. I have a team under me who trains into yoga, into nutrition, into dance. These are all activities which will help you to get great. Remove at least 45 minutes daily for a healthy jog, swimming, dancing, whatever you like. Go for yoga, go to a gym, just go anywhere in a club. But remove your stress there. Build up your body, eat healthy. See, this is not a health seminar, this is a money seminar. But why I'm talking to you is because if you're not healthy, you really will not be in a position to earn money. You have to balance it. You have to balance it well. And millionaires have understood this. That's why if you see, most of them will be into healthy activities. Yes, you will find it surprising, but they, yes, take care of their health. Everybody takes care of their health. Everyone, okay? So very important. Next, relationships. This is, बहुत लोग मुझसे आर्ग्यू करते हैं, यार अगर पैसा कमाना है तो मुझे सब कुछ सैक्रिफाइस करना पड़ेगा, सब कुछ. मुझे अपने फैमिली को इग्नोर करना पड़ेगा, मेरे बीवी बच्चों को छोड़ना पड़ेगा, मुझे सिर्फ 24 घंटा काम और पैसे के पीछे भागना पड़ेगा. मतलब I can have either this or this, but I can't have both. Right? बहुत लोग बोलते हैं ना, इसलिए लोग डरते हैं पैसा कमाने से. They feel कि ये जो बड़े-बड़े करोड़पति है, अरबपति है, वो लोग सिर्फ पैसा कमाते हैं, बाकी सबको इग्नोर करते हैं. But रिसर्च क्या दिखाता है? Exactly opposite, contradictory. They have the best of both worlds, billionaires. And Americans I'm talking, Indians also, I have met them personally. Those people balance their families as well as their work and their relationships. What I mean by relationships is having a very good, harmonious relationship with your family members, with your wife, with your spouse, with your children, with your parents, friends, relatives. They remove time for them, they take care of them. You have to balance it, and that's where time management comes. अगर ये भी तुम्हारा उल्टा सीधा हो गया, तो you will get lost. So please, if you are not giving enough time for your family or yourself or your friends, please remove that. Okay? They are the ones who will be there in your down. Remember it. They are the ones who will give you moral support. When the entire world gives you a back, they are the ones whom you can trust. So they are very important. So very important. And millionaires have recognized. You must be wondering, ये सब कहाँ से आ गया? But research has shown that this plays a very important role in earning money. It's directly proportional. A person who's weak in these areas of relationship management and health is also equally weak in money. तो ये आपको ध्यान रखना ही है relationships. And the last and the most important is you have to be wealthy within your own self. What does this mean? Within your own self. इसका मतलब हुआ कि अपने आप के साथ पीस और हार्मनी में रहो, अपने आप के साथ खुश रहो. इसका मतलब ये रहता है कि वो चीज करो जो तुम्हें खुशी देती है, which gives you happiness. That's why they always say कि pursue your passion, your passion. अगर तुम वो चीज करोगे तो you will stick for a longer time in those things. अगर तुम वो चीज करोगे जो दूसरे लोग तुम्हें बोलते हैं, you will never be happy. It will be a forced thing, and you will give it up after some time. इसलिए अगर तुम्हें जो भी पसंद है उसको stick करो. Be what happens. दूसरा important is being true to yourself means also having inner peace and harmony. तो inner peace और harmony मतलब क्या? Satisfaction. Be happy with what you have right now and aspire for more. Don't get into this comparisons कि उसके पास इतना है, मेरे पास कम नहीं है, and feel unhappy thinking कि उसके पास इतनी घर है, गाड़ी है, ये है, वो है, and मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है. Be happy with what you have and aspire for more. Don't ever underestimate yourself or belittle yourself. Love yourself the way you are. And believe me, you will attract more and more good things in your life. That is what is called as law of attraction and expressing gratitude. Thank whatever you have right now in your life. Thank God for whatever you have in your life. And you will get more and more of that in your life. So, agar you balance all of this, automatically you will attract more and more wealth in your life. And this is what millionaires do. This is one of the secrets of their success. And research has shown that they have balanced everything in tantrum. Okay, everything they have balanced perfectly well. तो अगर आपको लगता है अभी मैं इस एरिया में वीक हूँ या मुझे इस पर कुछ और वर्क करना है, तो प्लीज गियर अप एंड डू इट. प्लीज डू इट नाउ. अगर यू फील कि हेल्थ में मुझे कहीं वर्क करना है, इफ यू हैव मेड अ प्लान कि नहीं यार मुझे रोज सुबह उठकर जॉगिंग करना है, मुझे हेल्दी फूड, सिगरेट्स कम करने हैं, ये कम करना है, तो प्लीज डू इट नाउ. Who stop it? Go ahead and do it. Is this clear to all of you? So can I get a commitment for this? Balancing these 4 things of life. Yes or no? Come on. Yes, very good. Okay, great. Next.